Good morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, we have mixed trade. We've got beans up a little bit, corn and wheat down. Stock market's up, the dollar's lower, and crude's lower. So I think still the concern about demand globally, whether it's food, feed, or fuel, continues to offer resistance to commodity markets. Over in the corn market, again, lower ethanol, possibly lower feed demand, should increase carryouts both for this year and next year. We think that about 24% of the corn is planted. The 2-week weather forecast for the Midwest should be okay for crops, except it might be a little wet in the Ohio River Valley and could be a little warm and dry down in the southern plains. Soybean market is supported last week. China buying, we will be watching pretty closely to see if they continue to buy U.S. soybeans over the next week or two. Without that, the 9 to 10 million more acres farmers are going to plant this year versus last year in beans could weigh on the market, could offer resistance as the carryouts maybe go up, both 1920 and 2021. As far as the wheat market is concerned, it basically is a weather market, and it looks like there's going to be some scattered showers in parts of the dry areas of Europe and the Black Sea. Not sure if this is a long-term change in the pattern, but it will help crops now, and we've lost so far about 26 cents in the wheat market since Thursday. And so funds last week were net sellers of corn, beans, wheat, meal, and oil, and they also keeping on a kind of a long position in the wheat market. It's not that big, but all in all, it looks like they might start liquidating out of that wheat position because of better weather in Europe and also in Asia. So again, I think that the corn market will continue to slip lower because of the loss of demand and the prospects of a good U.S. 2020 corn crop. Bean market will probably be in a broad trading range depending upon China buying, with bigger crops in the U.S. offering resistance. And the wheat market might sink lower if the weather improves across the northern hemisphere. I hope everybody had a safe weekend. I hope everybody has a safe week. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.